In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an editable PDF from Canva. This can be incredibly helpful for anyone looking to create versatile, customizable documents that they can easily share or edit later on. Let's dive in and start from the beginning. First, you'll want to head over to Canva's website. If you haven't already created an account, it's a simple process to get started, and it's free to use with various templates and elements at your disposal. Once you're on the site and logged in, direct your attention to the Create button, which you should find right on the homepage. Clicking this will unlock a variety of design options waiting for you. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll need to select Docs. This takes you to a blank canvas where you can start to stretch your creative muscles. Here you can type in any text that you need for your project. Whether you're crafting a resume, a presentation, or a brochure, this is where all your content will come together. With Canva's user-friendly editor, adding and formatting text is hassle-free, allowing for a wide range of customization options. When you're satisfied with what you've created, it's time to save and share your work. Direct your focus to the Share button located at the top right of the screen. Clicking this reveals a plethora of options for distributing your design, but for today, we'll be looking specifically at downloading it as a PDF. With the Share menu open, find and click on Download. This will give you access to different formats for saving your file. For our purposes, we'll choose PDF Standard. This selection is optimal for documents that don't require the high resolution of a print-ready version, keeping file sizes manageable while maintaining quality. You'll see the option to finalize your choice of PDF Standard here. Selecting this ensures that the document is saved in an easy-to-share and accessible format that you can modify as needed. Before you download, you might want to preview your design one last time to make sure everything looks just the way you want. Finally, go ahead and hit the Download button. Your browser will process the request, and in just a few moments, your design will be downloaded onto your computer as an editable PDF. You can now open this file with any PDF editor to make further changes or share it with others who may need to contribute or approve the content. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded an editable PDF from Canva, ready to be modified or shared as you see fit. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you'll be able to make full use of Canva's powerful design capabilities for all your future projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.